in San Juan, Puerto Rico. Well, what kind of thing do you?
I don't stop at souvenir shops. I show you everything, then I drop little shops.
What time the shops open?
Shops start to open at 9:30 to 10 o'clock, but the factory stores and open market at 10:30. That's where you're gonna do your heavy shopping.
How far is that from the port?
7-minute walk.
How much is it? You said
$15. Air conditioner above. We already got people inside. The brand new bus.
Oh. You want that one?
Huh?
Everyone else is 35.
Go from Miami?
Yeah.
First time here?
Yeah.
It ain't gonna be your last.
Wait, are we gonna see the? You see on this side? But I like. Well, do we come out?
This is where we get out, take pictures, and I'm gonna end the tour in the old city.
Because I like this colorful building.
That's where you're gonna end. I got you to work. And you know the song Despacito?
Yes, Despacito.
I take you to the bar, the old show by The Godfather, where they filmed Despacito. Okay.
Hello.
This is the good-looking crowd tour. Ugly people can't get in. So now you see everybody nice and friendly and good-looking. Only ugly guy is me. These are big almond trees. If you're gonna pick almonds from the floor, if it doesn't have this shape, don't pick it up. Okay? Because I had a lady bring a special almond to the bus 3 weeks ago, okay? In a beautiful pink knitted napkin. And it was a dog nugget, okay? So just in case. This one don't leave no brown marks on your face, don't smell anything. Free Willy is an almond specialist. If you have any questions bringing the almonds to the bus, you say, Free Willy, what do you think? I go like this, it comes in the bus. I go like that, you throw your nugget in the grass. Okay? You good? No question with the almonds, right? All right, guys. Kicking it live here in Puerto Rico with #1, Free Willy, Willy Wonka.
Hey!
All right, man. All right, take care.
All right, so now it is time to hit San Juan on our own. We have a map, which Babe will be the person in charge of that one.
Eric! What's going on, man? Running into each other.
Oh my God. He already making best friends. Hey.
Enjoy, man. Yeah, I'm sorry. My mom's home here. Oh, yeah? Yeah. I still got family here. Oh, take a shot at me and Christine.
Oh, okay. Basketball?
You know it, right? Basketball. You know it.
Ready? 1, 2, 3.
I'm gonna
take 2 more. Okay.
I'm gonna take one too. 1, 2.
Those are the NBA stars. Don't forget.
The NBA stars. You know it, right? The NBA stars.
He still got it for a 60-year-old.
Yeah, we'll see you guys on the ship.
Yeah, sure.
And he calls me friendly. That's his best friend. I heard, yo, Eric. I was like, what the? Yo, Eric. Turn around.
los árboles ahí.
Café Puerto. Okay.
Café Puerto Rico al lado del Haitian Garden.
Haitian Gallery. Gracias. She should go all the way down, make a left. It's gonna be about the Haitian Gallery. So we're walking the wrong way. Now we are going to go the right way. Past next to the Haitian Gallery. St.Maarten. That's funny because we're gonna be in Haiti tomorrow because we really want to try this seafood mofongo.
You know what he wants? Running.
Oh my gosh. That looks really good. Thank you.
Cheers, guys.
Damn, yeah? It looked good. There you go, y'all. Better than what yesterday? Oh my god. This is really good. Dollar shop. Thank you. Yeah, I got it first. Cheers. Ow. Yeah, you always do. I know. I know, I saw it at the end. The scary part is that the mojito can't taste no lick. The shot we just took can't taste no lick. So we know it's creepers. We about to be smacked. It's creepers for real. We about to feel it. He's making round 2 right now. And then we're gonna go get our mofongos. We're gonna get. I'm really picky with food, I guess, right? So we're probably gonna get one to see if I like it, so that we're not wasting money. And then if it's like listen, then I get mine. But I'll probably eat off his plate like I always do. Hey, babe. I feel like when you're in a relationship, like that's what you sign up for. Like one person is going to eat off of the other person's plate. Like that's what you signed up for, babe. Like you signed. No. Baby, you signed up for me eating off the plate. Like even if I got the same thing, like I'm gonna eat your food. Like I drink. Oh, and he's making it to go for us, like we asked, so that we could walk to the place. What is it? Cafe Puerto Rico.
Right. Be right back with the bill.
Yes, thank you.
Table for 2 guys.
Yes, ma'am.
Any table for 2.
Thank you. All right. So Zadi's about to order some food. What you want, Zadi? Yo, we getting some fresh mofongos. Straight from the jungle. Straight from the jungle. This is the menu here. We're thinking about getting this here, the shrimp mofongo. It is $19. They have vegetable, chicken, fish chunk, skirt steak shrimp, and onion pork dice. But we don't do pork here. None of that. So no pork on my fork. No pork. Hey. No pork on So yeah, I'm ready to get this food.
Share that with the rice and beans, or just the mofongo how it comes, just the salad and a little bit of white rice.
We'll get how it comes. Because I'm so picky.
But if I like it, I'm gonna get my own. Trust me.
So remember how earlier I said that we're not gonna get two mofongos because I'm a picky eater and I know if I'm gonna like it. He just told me he's mad that he has to share with me. What do you have to say?
Yes, I'm mad because it smells so good.
It do, but babe, you know how I am.
So bad.
Yo, my bad?
I'm a foodie.
I'm about to stand up right now in front of all these people. Hold up. Really good.
Hi, this is Café Puerto Rico, and you're welcome to come anytime. We'd love to have you here. Have a mofongo.
Those are little angels. They're adjustable.
Can I get one of these?
We are in Facebook, like Facebook's ecoprendasPR.com. Instagram too with the same thing, Ecoprendas. You find it over there. And you can contact by phone, like you will see it 787-923-2322.
Awesome. Thank you so much.
My pleasure.
Go ahead, bye. Why'd you separate? Yeah, look, have fun over there on your side. Bye, here's your card since you want to separate from me. Bye. Never leave your woman. This is what happens, you get left behind. Bye, babe. See you later. Thank you.
What's going on over there? Is that a camera?
Yeah, it's a camera. It's like that one. Same thing.
I just don't have the headpiece on right now. He wears it.
What's the reason for this?
Well, just you know.
To catch everything.
And you're filming and stealing from. Well, he's not filming now.
It's not that different.
So, well, what is the purpose for that, for the head?
Just documenting your life.
A trip, yeah?
I'm making a video.
Okay.
I'll take a picture of
This is 11.
It's a
I'm not sure which way to go, so,
okay.
Oh.
okay?
Go ahead, you go. No, he's holding.
We got the door. We got it.
Thank you.
There you go.
Okay.
Nice.
Thanks, guys. Thank you.
No problem.
This is us too.
Take care.
Bye.
Bye. Take care.
Home sweet home. Oh, the shade's open and it's still kind of cold in here. That's the first though. No, yeah, because we did leave it closed. Babe, don't put your little dirty stuff on the bed.
Oh, you're right.
Now, so we're reaching one piece. We're about to go probably take a shower and do that. Cool off and relax. And we'll be back when it's time to eat, y'all. Bye.